Do you want to download these Lightroom presets free? Today in this video I'm going to tell you that how you can download it. I also download free Lightroom presets for myself for my personal use. You can download it for yourself too. So this video will be very helpful for you guys. Please watch this video till the end. Okay, now I'm showing how you can download it. Open search engine, type Lightroom preset .in space site search. Okay guys, you can see Lightroom preset download. Our website is showing in top. I'm opening it. Yeah, you can see there is a lot of Lightroom presets which is absolutely free guys. Here if you want to download more, there is an option 1 2 3 and more. Okay, I'm scrolling up. I'm showing you that how you can download. I'm just open Lightroom presets wedding. It's opening guys. Okay, I'm scroll down. Article is opening. Just read this article because you can find a lot of information like what is Lightroom presets and how you can apply this Lightroom preset in your photo. So I'm just find out the Lightroom preset downloading button. I'm scrolling down. Okay guys, here's the download button. I'm just downloading it. Here you can see the downloaded. Okay, I'm opening the DNG file. Just see, it's downloaded in just one click. It's absolutely free guys. I'm just going back to show you. Okay, in the bottom you can see related articles and there is a lot of Lightroom presets which is absolutely free. Whatever you want to download you liked, just tap on and find downloading button and download it free. And also you can go back to home. Just see a Lightroom presets. If you like this video then please give it a thumbs up, a like. Thanks for watching this video.